So we'll be able to watch right here on the camera.
Okay, cool.
As I'm blowing it. Hang on, let me grab.
No worries. So this is the first step of cleaning out a DPF.
Yeah,
filter.
correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is blowing out the dirty side down first.
Okay.
And then you flip it over and do the.
Okay.
So that's the dirty side. So you'll see all the particulate matters coming out of the
Okay.
camera here. Just hold on. Turn my-
No worries. Yeah, I mean, to clean each filter in every truck has to be done.
Do this.
It's a process.
Bake it.
As you can see, it's barely, there's not a whole lot. All we're doing is blowing the particulate matter out. Normally it's just a solid stream coming, you know.
Yeah. Now look at the effect that hydrogen does on these particular filters.
And you can see right there on the flow, I'm not even halfway done with it and it's already come down to
Wow.
202. This was, there was how many miles on it, you said?
100,000 miles on this filter and 57% idle time.
It's been on the truck for 10 months.
It's not dark particles at all, is it?
No, it's
Never seen that before, have you?
No, it's all. It's just basically ash because it's been burned so clean.
We like
Right.
to hear that. Almost down to, look at the zero, is that where it ends up?
No, it's usually about 02. So right around in there. But as soon as we flip it over, you'll be able to see the other side of it, which is the dirty side.
Gotcha.
You'll be able to see. It's going to be all ash. It's going to be all white. I'll almost guarantee you.
And that would be just like a factory out of the box, correct?
No, that's like after I bake them.
I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, after I bake and clean them, they're just white ash. But yeah,
You're actually turning it around inside there, I got it.
turning it over. See, so now this is going to be the. So normally, usually when we do this on the dirty side of the filter, it'll be all black, even though it's cleaned out.
It's just white.
Look at that. Look at it's even cleaning it. Look at this. There's no particular matter.
So
at all.
usually that won't do that under normal?
No, it'd be black,
Be black, okay.
and it gets splattered. See, this is just blowing out.
Yeah.
Look at, I mean, it's almost like I just got through baking it.
So again, all your years of experience, you've never seen a filter react this way when cleaning it.
Not with this many miles on it.
Okay. And what's the average filter idle time? You don't really know, right? Because they just bring them in. Okay.
Yeah, they just.
But I would say 57% is a lot.
Yeah. Yeah, well, especially if these are out of state running trucks, they'll sit and idle for
Yeah.
8 hours or 10 hours off, and they're 36 hours.
Yeah, he's a sleeper. He sleeps in his truck.
No, that's so.
We're down to
Under just right out of 1 or 0.1, that's what I get them after they're baked and clean.
So we got it down before it was even baked clean.
Before it was even baked and clean.
Okay. Interesting. Well, it'll be interesting to know what the numbers are at the final, and I'm sure we'll get those at the end.